How's it going, everyone? Chad from Wonderspark Puppets, and today we are going to be making extremely simple robot puppets. Yeah, using only a couple different materials. Come on down and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So, today we're going to need a toilet paper tube, right? We're gonna need some scissors. Are we gonna need tape? Maybe. But we're definitely going to need a couple of pipe cleaners and something to decorate with. So we got some crayons, markers, whatever you need. All right, so here we go. Start with, boom, your toilet paper tube, okay? Take your scissors and we're going to make 5 cuts into this toilet paper tube. They're gonna be exactly 1 inch or 2 centimeters long. Okay, just do your first one. Boom, there it is. 1 inch, flip it over from where you just cut. Do the same exact thing. Bam, there's number 2. All right, now exactly on the bottom of where you just cut last, do another one. 3, there we go. And then, if you guessed it, flip it over and do another one. Number 4. Now, very important, we just cut this 4 different ways, and you can kind of see those in here. So now we need to figure out which side of this toilet paper tube is going to be our robot's face. So kind of see there's like an indentation on this side. There's like a cross in the material there. Let's say this is the back. So this is going to be the front, the smooth side, okay? So I don't want to cut this part. I'm going to cut the back with 1 more cut in between these 2 cuts right there, okay? So same exact thing, just a 1 inch cut. Boom, there it is. So we have 1, 2, 3 on one side and then 1, 2 on the other. All right. If you've gotten this far, congratulations. Here we go. We are now going to take our pipe cleaners and we are going to string them through some of these slits. So remember that 5th slit that we did, the last one? Save that for later. So let's just stick these straight through 2 of those slits on the top. Whoop, so it's just like this. See how we did that? Okay. And then grab your other pipe cleaner and stick it straight through those bottom 2 slits. And then kind of line up the pipe cleaners so they're even on each side, okay? You should get this. Something like this, all right? These are going to be our puppet's limbs. And I want to make sure to pull them tight so that they're at the very base of that slit. Does that make sense? Right there. Got it. Okay, at the bottom of the cut. Now, we need to decide right now, how long will your robot's legs be? Do you want a robot with really long limbs? Like, wow, my arms are so big. Ah, you know, you want a really tall robot? Do you want a really short robot? It's totally up to you, okay? And use whatever colors you want. I want a robot with some manageable limbs. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to bring these 2 limbs together and I'm gonna trim them with my scissors, okay? So let's see, you know, I think I want my arms to be about that long. I'm just gonna hold them right there and cut. Now, very important, do not throw out these pipe cleaners, okay? Save them for later, they're gonna come in handy, all right? And if you're finding it too hard to cut these pipe cleaners, say I wanted to cut the legs down from this puppet. Look at how ridiculous this is. If I wanted to cut these legs but I found it too hard, here's a trick. So we're just gonna take these pipe cleaners out. We're gonna fold this and we're gonna pinch this into a T like this. This is optional. This is only if you can't cut the pipe cleaners yourself, okay? We're gonna fold it and then make a T shape just like that. It's kind of like an upside down T, kind of looks like an IUD kind of a thing. So if we do this and then stick it into our robot, right? Getting those pipe cleaners right in the cuts just like before, check it out. Now those limbs are a lot shorter and I didn't need to cut it. And look, now you have this interesting little thing poking out of the top. It's kind of like a thing of hair. Anyway, you could either cut it or use that upside down T method. Once you have your robot's limbs, just like this, definitely play around with it. Ooh, I feel like feel like taking a walk over there. Here we go. Walkie, 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 walkie. Play around. Woo! See what it can do. What it can't do. Ooh, can we even do like, can it be like a spider even? Like an insect? Woo! On the ground. Anyway, so now we are ready to do two things. This could be a tabletop puppet just like it is. All right, but we are actually going to give it a rod. Now, if you cut any parts of the pipe cleaners off, we're going to make a rod out of this, okay? We're going to pinch those parts together. And it doesn't matter if you had 2 pieces, 4 pieces, take them all, pinch them right together like that. And I want you to, while holding it very tightly, twist them together into a massive pipe cleaner just like that. We made like the big brother pipe cleaner, big sister, right? Okay. Should have a pipe cleaner just like this. We're going to take the very top of it where they joined and kind of make a T on the very top, so it kind of looks like this. Okay, if you don't twist it all the way, you'll have something like that. Make sure that it's in like a T shape. Very important. Okay, we're now going to take this amazing rod that we just made, and we're going to put it through that final cut, through that final slit in the top. Okay, and the T part, the small T part, goes on the inside. Okay, all the way down to the end, right like that. And on the inside, I'm just going to flatten that T out. Woo, so it's nice and secure. Now we have a pipe cleaner rod just like that. Dun, 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 dun. And I can control this robot and it can walk around. Now, at this point, you got some options, okay? Ooh. Can you take a piece of tape and seal up the slits? Yes, you definitely can. Do you need to? I don't know. It's totally up to you, okay? We can also give this puppet a face, okay? What should the puppet's expression be? How are they feeling? Are they a cold, uncaring robot? Are they a robot with human emotions? It's totally up to you. So pick an expression that you feel really works for the character that you're going for and what kind of story you are telling, okay? I kind of want like a happy robot, so I drew a sort of happy face. Anyway, once you have completed your robot, holding it with that rod we made in the back, definitely walk it around. They're really good at dancing. It can jump in the air, whee! Because you're holding it kind of in the middle, it can jump, slow motion turn in the air, woo, and spin around. And all I'm doing is just twisting my fingers just like this, whoa, to have them floating, maybe a little 0G floating in outer space. Whoa, I'm in outer space, whee, anything you want, okay? And that's it. That's it. You have made an extremely simple robot puppet out of not at all materials. And check it out. Can you do more with it? Yes, you can. That's right. Well, let's get all these robots up here. You can make all kinds of robots. Look, I used a little cupcake thing for some hair right there. You can do all kinds of things with these. You can put more things into the cuts on the side. The choice is yours. All right. Hope you had fun making that puppet today. My name is Chad from Wonder Spark Puppets, and we'll see you next time. Bye.